Hello dear students. Today we are going to learn about the diseases of potato. So let us see. The first disease of potato is early blight of potato, which is caused by the causal organism Alternaria solani. Regarding characteristics of early blight of potato is here what happens here the small brown to dark spot or circular or angular shaped spots are appear on the leaves with the concentric rings. Here the 1 2 3 certain brown to blackish rings are observed on the leaves. When such a leaves, then the first leaves first spot, second spot, third spot. So when such a spot or concentric rings that are connected with each other, so what happens? The large lesion or the patch are observed on the leaves, which just look like a burning appearance, or plant shows the burning appearance. So it is called as an blight. Then if the infestation is severe, so here the whole plant look like an burn. As the rule, the lower leaves are affected first, and from the lower leaves, infection is spread towards the upward leaves. In severe cases, the disease appears on the fruits as dark brown or sunken spots. It enlarges in certain extent, and sometimes the blackening of the potato are shown. So this is the symptoms of early blight of potato. Regarding perpetuation, the PSI, that is called as a primary source of infection, that is PSI, that is infected plant debris, and secondary source of infection is also infected debris in soil. Then regarding control measure or management strategies, here we have to remove or we have to burn the plant debris of the previous crop. Second one, after planting, after 2 to 3 weeks of planting of potato seedlings, we have to take the spray of copper oxychloride 0.25% or Zynab 0.2% or Mancozeb 0.2%. So this is about the management strategies of early blight of potato. Next disease, that is called as a late blight of potato. You know that the late blight of potato is caused by the causal organism, that is Phytophthora infestans. Regarding symptoms, so that Phytophthora fungus that attack on any stage of the crop. Mostly they appears at the flowering stage. Apart from the flowering stage, infestation is severe. At the initial stage, the sunken or water soaked light yellow to brown spot or appear on the leaves here. And from that leaves, on the lower leaves, a brownish to blackish lesions are obtained or observed. If the moist weather is there, or if in atmosphere appropriate humidity is there, so that fungus is spread at a faster rate and the blackened area is become larger. Then on that blackened area, here the whitish fungus are observed on the blackened areas. If you observe carefully, so that whitish fungus growth is seen on the lower surface of the leaves. In severe infestation, the growing shoots are blighted in the beginning and then disease spread up to the tubers, which shows the brown to purple discoloration of the skin of the tubers. So this is about the symptoms of late blight. Here as we saw that here the stem it becomes blighted, leaves is become totally blighted or plant shows burning appearance, and here the symptom is shown at the burning point. A whitish mycelial growth is observed here. So this is some photographs of that late blight of potato. It's here. Then regarding the perpetuation, the primary source of infection is takes place through the dormant mycelium in the infected tubers, or sometimes it may be through the oospores which is present in soil or plant debris. Secondary source of infection is through the sporangia, which is spread by wind or irrigation water. Regarding management strategies, first we use the healthy tubers for the planting, or the material which is used, it should be disease free. Then we follow the clean cultivation. The next, before the planting, dip the seed tubers for 5 minutes in solution of redomil at a rate of 0.2% solution. Then 2 to 3 spray it taken after 15 to 21 days intervals of Bordeaux spray, that is 1% Bordeaux mixture, or copper oxychloride 0.3%. So this is effective management strategies about the late blight of potato. Next, we discuss about the black scurf of potato. So as we know that black scurf of potato is caused by the fungus Rhizoctonia solani. Regarding symptoms of black scurf of potato, here the symptoms are observed on the above and below the growing parts of the plants. Symptoms observed on above ground part in early in the session, or early in early session. It includes the necrosis at the tip of the sprout, or on the leaves, the lesions on the shoots or roots are also observed. In the latter session, the sclerotia produced in the tubers. Here, as we know that the sclerotia, blackish sclerotia is produced in the tubers. Here, so that sclerotia are produced in the tubers, it creating a sign, and that sign is called as black scurf, which is simply the sclerotial mycelium. That means that is called as sclerotic or sclerosinized mycelium. Then stem with the cankers can become girdle or result in the stunted the growth of the plants. Leaves of infected plants develop a chlorotic coloration or purplish coloration. If you observe the leaves, it shows the purple or chlorotic coloration. In severe infection, green tubers develop above the ground. So this is about the symptoms of black scurf of potato. Regarding perpetuation, the PSI, that is primary source of infection, is infected plant debris, and SSI, that is wind or irrigation water. Regarding management strategies, we can spray the plants with 0.1% mancozeb or 0.1% Bavistin. The third disease of potato is the leaf roll of potato. Or here, next disease of potato is leaf roll of potato, which is caused by the virus called as an potato leaf roll virus. So the picture indicates the rolling of the leaf from the both side. Due to the infection of virus, all the leaves of the potato it becomes curled from the branches or from the side or adjacent part of the leaves. And this is an important symptoms of the leaf roll of virus. For control of that leaf roll of virus is transmitted by the insect. So that for control of or for management of that disease, we spray the suitable insecticide based on the name of that insect. Next disease of potato is mosaic, that is called as an potato mosaic virus. So that disease result in intervenal mottling or mosaic under the favorable growth condition of the host. The symptoms are masked. It is not easily recognized. So as we know that the mottling means what? The rough portion or knot-like portion is emerge out from the middle portion of the leaves. Here the knot-like portions are observed. So that mosaic symptom is difficult for the recognize because it is caused due to the different biotic or abiotic factors. Here it is characterized by the symptoms, that is vein banding or severe mosaic. In case of that severe mosaic, the affected plants are stunted and the size and the number of tubers are reduced. Next one is rugose mosaic of potato. So second symptom, it causes the severe damage to the individual plants. In case of that, the foliar part or the leaves is not only mottled but also severely wrinkled or puckered or markedly reduced in their size. The leaflet margin is rolled downwards and the entire plant is severely stunted, or it may be called as a dwarf. And third symptom is a crinkle of potato. So crinkling of potato is caused by the combination of potato virus X, but the yellowish patches on the foliage are bigger or prominent. That means the yellowing of the leaves takes place due to the attack of that mosaic, which may be called as a crinkling of virus. Here, the most prominent symptom is called as an rusty brown spot at the beginning near to the tip of the leaves. The foliage is brittle and easily injured. So this is the symptoms of the mosaic virus. Then regarding the transmission of that mosaic, so potato mosaic virus is transmitted by the aphids. So that for control of mosaic aphids, we use a suitable insecticides. For example, it may be a chloropyrifos at a rate of 0.1%. So this is the diseases of potato like late blight, early blight, black scurf, then mosaic leaf roll, etc. So if you have any difficulty regarding the diseases of potato, so you should ask me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.